If you've ever let Microsoft Edge remember your passwords for convenience, you're not alone. But what happens when you need to review, update, or even delete one? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to manage all your saved passwords in Microsoft Edge, safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the top right corner, click on the three-dot menu. That's your main control center. From there, choose Settings. Once you're in Settings, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on Profiles. This section holds everything related to your personal browsing data, from basic info to saved passwords. Now, scroll down a bit and select Passwords. This is where Edge keeps all the login details you've saved. You'll see a full list of websites along with the usernames and encrypted passwords associated with them. If you want to view a specific password, click on the entry for that website. The password will appear hidden by default, but you'll see a small eye icon next to it. Click the icon and you'll be asked to verify your Windows PIN or password. A security step to ensure only you can see the sensitive information. Need to make an update? Just hit edit next to that login and adjust the username or password as needed. Edge will save your changes instantly. If you're doing a little digital cleanup, you can also delete any saved password you no longer use. Just click the trash icon or the delete option and it's gone for good. And that's it. You've just learned how to access, edit, and manage your saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. Taking a few minutes to review your stored credentials every now and then helps keep your account secure, your data tidy, and your browsing experience smoother. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tech tips just like this. Thanks for watching us and happy browsing.